Welcome to our comparison of LM Studio and OpenWebUI. These are both powerful platforms, but they have unique strengths. Starting with features, LM Studio offers a robust suite with functionalities like drag-and-drop interface, pre-built templates, and custom coding. It also comes with comprehensive reporting tools. OpenWebUI, on the other hand, provides a more streamlined experience with its focus on web user interface development. It includes features like live preview, code editor, and collaboration tools. However, it lacks some advanced tools like reporting. If you're looking for a feature-rich platform, LM Studio might be your best bet. Let's now talk pricing. LM Studio offers a subscription-based model with different tiers to accommodate various needs. It's cost-effective for large teams. OpenWebUI, on the other hand, follows a freemium model. It's free for individual developers, but charges for additional features or for commercial use. This makes OpenWebUI more affordable for individual developers or small teams. However, the cost can increase significantly if you need the advanced features. Moving on to user experience, the UX LM Studio is designed to be user-friendly with intuitive navigation and a clean interface. OpenWebUI, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve due to its focus on coding. However, once you get the hang of it, it provides a satisfying experience, especially for those who prefer to work with code. If you're a non-technical user, LM Studio might be easier to use, but developers might prefer OpenWebUI. In terms of integrations, LM Studio shines with its ability to integrate with many third-party applications and services. This can enhance productivity and streamline workflows. OpenWebUI, while it doesn't offer as many integrations, does support the most essential ones, such as GitHub and Docker. If integrations are important to you, you might lean towards LM Studio. Performance is crucial for any platform. LM Studio is known for its speed and reliability, even when handling large projects. OpenWebUI is also fast and reliable, but some users have reported slight slowdowns when working on complex projects. So if you're working on large-scale projects, LM Studio might offer better performance. Security is paramount in today's digital age. LM Studio and OpenWebUI both take security seriously. LM Studio has robust security features like encryption and regular audits. OpenWebUI, on the other hand, offers security features like two-factor authentication and role-based access control. Both platforms are secure, but LM Studio's additional security measures might appeal to you if you handle sensitive data. When it comes to scalability, both platforms perform well. LM Studio is built to handle growing needs, allowing you to scale up as your needs increase. OpenWebUI also scales well, but it might require more manual configuration. If you're looking for automatic scalability, LM Studio might be the better choice. The winner of this comparison is LM Studio. The reasons are its comprehensive features, robust security, superior scalability, and better performance for large projects. While OpenWebUI is a strong contender, especially for individual developers or small teams, LM Studio's versatility and robustness make it the overall winner. Thank you for watching this comparison. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. We regularly post comparison videos to help you choose the right tools for your needs. Stay tuned for more.